Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 68 stylish kitchen ideas to transform your space and elevate your home. Your kitchen is more than a place to cook, it's the heart of your home, where memories are made and good times shared. In today's video, we'll inspire you with breathtaking kitchen designs that bring together functionality and style. Whether you're dreaming of a sleek modern kitchen with clean lines and minimalist charm or a cozy rustic vibe filled with warmth and natural textures, we've got something for everyone. Discover how smart layouts can maximize your space, even in the smallest kitchens, and how innovative storage solutions keep everything organized and within reach. From bold color palettes and stunning backsplashes to elegant countertops and lighting ideas that set the perfect mood, these 68 kitchen designs will help you envision the kitchen of your dreams. Imagine the possibilities: a Scandinavian-inspired design for simplicity, a luxurious marble-topped island for a touch of elegance, or a playful pop of color to brighten your mornings. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to Thena's channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment sharing your favorite design. Get ready to be inspired, let's dive in.